So I got 5 tips for new window tinters in 2020, and that starts right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black. You know I always start off by saying thank you so much to anyone that has subscribed to the channel the last month or so or forever, because I greatly appreciate you guys. And like I always say, these channels and all this YouTube stuff is nothing without you guys, so thank you guys so much. And it always means a lot when people say, hey Wayne, thanks for the video, or, hey, thanks for the information, I've learned something, or you've been able to help me out. So that is definitely what makes this all worthwhile. So I got 5 tips in no certain order, so I'm gonna start with number 5. 5 is gonna be focus on quality. All you wanna do is have a really clean job that you're happy with, and when your customer leaves, they can have their tint job on their vehicle for years. If you're not happy with it, and you think you're gonna let something go, it might just come back later, then it's gonna cost you more time to strip it and refix it, more time in film, and also it can also possibly be your reputation. So do as best as you can, even if it takes you longer, just take your time and just produce a really good quality install no matter how long it takes. Tip number 4, when you're starting out, yes, you need tons of practice, but don't worry about doing everyone's car all over town. Worry about your family first. Your mother, your father, your brother, your uncle, people that are close to you that you can probably give them a good deal and say, hey, can I come grab your vehicle? I want to bring it over here. I'm practicing tinting. I want to learn how to tint. I'll give you a good deal, and you can take your time with your vehicle and you can practice on certain things that you want to learn, whether it's a sun visor, whether it's a rear window, doing front installs, a whole windshield. Practice with your family first, you know, and then you can charge them just something for your time. You don't have to charge them tons of money because of course you're learning and you might not produce a quality job. But if you practice with your friends or your family first, they will understand what you're trying to do and what you're trying to achieve. And then once you feel comfortable with some of your family vehicles, then maybe branch out with your friends. And then after that, your word will start to spread and you'll be building a fan base for window tinting in your area for your business. Now, tip number 3, find a brand that you're comfortable with and just run with it. All these brands to me are so close. Everyone's worried about this brand or worried about that brand. I want to change, I want to do this. Most lines of films have a dyed, a carbon, a ceramic, but when you're starting out, you want to have something that's affordable because you're going to be scrapping a lot of film. Or even if you just want to start with a clean, good Generation 4 dyed film, then try that. But don't worry about, oh, I wonder if this company's better than this company or that company, and you rack your brain. Find something that you can get good on shipping, that's close to you. Hopefully you can get it in a couple of days. The price is good for what you're trying to do, because remember, you're gonna be trashing film. So find a film that looks good to you, just go with it, run with it, and don't rack your brain killing yourself wondering if the grass is greener on different films. Just find a brand and just run with it. Number 2, hand cut your film. You know, because you're learning, you don't need all the software right away, you don't need a computer, you might not have a really good space where you can dedicate just for tinting. So learn how to hand cut your film. Learning how to hand cut your film will just kind of leave you limitless on what you can do. You know, some situations it is really nice to have a plotter. I work with people that do have plotters, so I kind of understand that. But me, I'm a hand cutter, and I know sometimes it does take a little more energy, and there are certain situations where you do wish you had a plotter. But man, when you're starting off, you want to learn the craft, you want to learn everything about it, you want to learn how to shape your film and really get patterns to fit the way you want them to fit. Learn to hand cut, because when you learn to hand cut and you stick with tinting, and down the road you get a nice shop space that you're using, then you might want to get yourself a plotter, or you're working with other people, then worry about that. But when you're first starting out as a new tinter, you don't need to really have a plotter right away. You know, you work up to that. You're paying for software, you're paying for the equipment. You might want to work up slowly and get yourself to that point. And also, you don't know if you're going to stick with tinting for 5 or 10 or years down the road. So just learn how to hand cut right away, get yourself some good tools, and then from there, keep expanding and then grow. Tip number 1, take care of your customers. Your customers is what's gonna make it or break it. Customers giving you bad reputation is not gonna be good. So try your best to take care of your customers. You know, if they have a problem with window tinting, something that you did, something that you tinted on their vehicle, just say, hey, come back and just fix it. It's easier just to fix it and take care of it right away than to have to deal with problems and everything down the road. Now, I have to admit, I like to book my schedule out a week in advance. So sometimes, depending on certain situations and distances, it is hard for me to get back with that customer. But I tell that customer, hey, let me know when your schedule is available. I will try my best to work my schedule and we'll get that corrected if we do have problems, because all of us will have problems. you know, but don't be that customer that says, oh yeah, I'll fix it, or I'll do this or that, and make all these statements and things that you're gonna do and just never do it. So try to be the one that takes care of your customers, because your customers are gonna be the one that will fight for you. The customers are gonna be the ones that will spread the word for you, and your customers are your business. So without your customers, then you won't have anything at all. So make sure you take care of your customers. Some might be picky, some might want to see things and stuff, and you say, man, you know, that is good to go. I don't really think that's a problem. But work as best as you can to take care of your customers, and it will help your business down the long run. All right, I know I said I was gonna give you 5 tips, but I'm gonna throw one in there extra, okay? For free. Check your prices in your area and see what the tint rates are going for. Ask them how much a sedan costs. Ask them how much front match costs. Ask them how much a visor costs, and compare them to the shops in your area. You don't want to be that low guy, because you know what? You're taking money out of your pockets and you're undercutting all the companies in your area, and you don't want to be, you don't want to do that. You don't want to be that guy, you know? Make sure you charge accordingly what the other shops are charging when you're comfortable to charge that amount. Like I said, starting off the first day, going out in your garage or in your shop, doing cars for your friends and family, you might not charge them exactly what another shop's going to charge them. I understand that. But you know what? If you practice and you get good and you're putting out quality work, and you want to start setting your prices, then make sure your prices are close to what the other shops are charging. But you don't want to be that low guy. Practice, get better, and then you want to charge what the other shops are charging, because you can keep the rate and keep everything good in that area. You don't want to drag the market down. You want to keep the market to be at a nice, clean, stable market for your area and in your city. Adjust your prices for your market, and don't undercutting other people. Don't do that, okay? Call around, see what they're charging for tint install, see what they're charging for a front match, see what they're charging for a full sedan, you know? And also think about what film you're using, a carbon compared to a dye, because starting out, you might not be using ceramic starting out, because you're gonna be wasting a lot of film. Trust me, you'll be screwing up film. So you don't wanna be wasting film on a high cost ceramic job. So basically just start low, use a dyed or a carbon film that you can get, and do not undercut the shops in your area, because you don't want to build a bad reputation and be known as that low undercutter. You want to make sure you practice, take time, doesn't matter how long it takes, until you feel comfortable to start doing tint installs for people around your area. So if word of mouth starts going around and they say, how much are you doing? You want to be close. You want to let your reputation speak for itself, you know? And that's what will happen. Word will start spreading. People will say, man, this guy's doing really good work tinting windows. And you want to be close to what those other shops are charging, because that helps you make money and it helps keep the market good in your area. All right, guys, so that is just 5 tips that I was thinking about, actually 6, that just think about for a new window tinter you might want to consider, you might want to keep in your head, you know? I know there's not a lot of videos that are kind of talking to you about what goes on the other side of an install, or what goes on around installs, you know what I mean? So I hope this video is informative. I hope this video helps you out. I want to be doing more videos like this, talking about small businesses, different things like that, just from my personal experience. Like I said, every shop has something different going on. Every shop has different customers. Every shop has different markets in their areas compared to Wisconsin or Florida, California. So like I said, I hope this video helps you guys out. You know, like I said, I'm still learning a lot of things. All of these tips that I put in this video are from my opinion, my experience of what I've gone through. So I hope that helps you guys out. I always appreciate you guys watching the video. Smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Like I said before, that really lets YouTube know that you guys are paying attention. And a lot of people watch the videos, and before I started making video, I just watch the video and just move on. But give the content creator a little bit of feedback. You know, leave a comment down below, because that just helps us out, and that lets us know that what we're doing is worthwhile and that we're helping people out here in the industry. And that's what I want to do. Fade the Back merchandise, link in the description down below. I greatly appreciate if you guys want to cop some merch. And until next time, stay faded. Peace. What's up, guys? Wayne from Fade to Black. Yeah, I totally forgot what I was going to say. Fade to Black, Fade to Black. So I got 5 tips. So I got 5 tips for new window tint. Tip number, damn, I forgot what tip.